guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I will be showing you guys how to make the most delicious cheesy scalloped potatoes. This is the perfect side dish and it goes with almost anything. So to get started, here I have some thinly sliced yellow potatoes. You can use any kind of potatoes of your choice. And I have here some whole milk. I have some sharp cheddar cheese and some mozzarella cheese. You could also use any cheese of your choice, it doesn't matter. I have here some onions, garlic, butter, flour, complete seasoning, chicken bouillon, and black pepper. So first things first, we will begin by making our cheese sauce, and we will start by melting some butter. Next, we'll add our onions and garlic and we'll let them saute for about 2 minutes. Next, we'll add the flour and we will mix it in and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. We want to get rid of some of the rawness in the flour. At this point, we'll go in with the milk and we will whisk it in until it's completely smooth, and we will allow it to simmer until it thickens up. Next, we'll add our seasonings to flavor this up a bit. You just need a little, not too much, because the cheese already has a lot of salt and you don't want to overpower the dish, okay? So we will add the seasonings, then we will add our cheese a little at a time, mix it in until the cheese completely melts. And if the consistency gets a little too thick and you feel like you want to add a little bit more milk, you can go right ahead. It doesn't matter. You just keep it to the consistency that you like. If you like a really thick cheese sauce, go ahead. If you like a thin one, then you keep adding milk until it reaches the consistency that you like. So once the cheese completely melts, this is how it should be looking. And now we will turn the heat off and we will set it aside. So now I'll show you guys how I assemble this dish. First, we'll go in with some cheese sauce. Make sure the bottom of the dish is fully covered with the sauce. Then we will put one layer of potatoes. Then we'll go in again with some cheese sauce. Then we'll put another layer of potatoes, then some cheese sauce, then potatoes until the dish is filled and our potatoes are done. So once we're done, the last step here is to top this with some shredded cheese. Then we will place a foil wrap over our dish and set this in an oven of 375 degrees for about 1 hour and 20 minutes. And then I'll show you guys the next step. So after about 1 hour and 20 minutes, this is how the potatoes are looking. Now we'll place this back into the oven uncovered so it could become golden brown. This time we will bump the heat up to 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. So our potatoes are now done and look how yummy that looks, guys. It is super delicious and it smells amazing. I've made this recipe a million times before and it is always a hit. It is the perfect side dish that goes with almost anything. And look how creamy that looks, guys. It is almost like mac and cheese, but in the potato form. So delicious. Okay guys, so this is my version of a delicious cheesy scalloped potatoes. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will link all of the ingredients down in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!